Hello guys, my name is Manvi. Oh, so you go to Ottawa? Yes guys, and as in the last video, I couldn't get all the 4 skins. So that's why we're getting all the 4 skins. Yes guys, don't know why I'm here. Because Minitoon actually gave us clues. Clue, hint. Minitoon gave us clues, guys. Minitoon gave us clues. So the first clue. So yeah, guys, first you go here because the retro, guys. If you want that cool retro skin, the hint says helicopter. And there's and guys, I'm telling you, it's not hospital. The map is actually this outpost. And yeah, if you just step on this place, if you step on this, you will get the skin. You'll get the badge. And then guys, yeah, this one is actually I don't know how I didn't even saw this. But yeah, but if in the same place only, if you go here, you can find Bunny, and if you touch, see, if you touch her, she will give you the badge. Or should I tell? We will get the badge. You should go to this building gate. And then you will see this, if you go like here, you can see this monkey and it just go tap it, do this and then you will get the badge. Okay, just beside this carnival, if you just go here, you should actually, if you're thinking this is the forest, no, this is the city, guys. If you're still confused why am I telling city, because now if you get further, you can see those things, right? You can see that thing. So yeah guys, and as you see this, if you just come to this place, I'll leave this place, guys. You can see this crocodile, and basically you should not go actually here. You should go here and then just step on this thing and boom, you should get the badge. Yeah, anyways, yeah, and basically that are the badges you need. That's how you get all the 4 badges that I missed in the last video. But yeah guys, let's see the jump scares. Yes guys, so yeah, let me just go inside the retro. And yeah, this guy just boom, he just do this guy. Guys, this is how it does. If you want to go faster, you can just click on here. Yeah, and let me show you his jump scare. If I just do this, it won't do anything. Boom, yeah. Now let's go TSP monkey, yeah. This is just that. Come on. I cannot go outside. Come on, get inside. And you see, guys, I wanna tell you one thing. I was so silly. How did I take? Not Fonda. Not Finder. Crocodile badge and that bunny badge. That's so silly of me. Yeah guys, this is how his jump scare looks. And if I just do that, that's how it does. Now let's go do the crocodile girl. I think it's a girl. Yeah, it's a girl only. Wait, what? There's only infected eyes? Guys, yeah, there's no infected. There's no. Now let's see Bunny's RB battles. Come on, yes, finally. Okay, that's it. What? How that happened? Oh, there's no. Yes guys, those were just the 4 skins. Now guys, let's yeah, but guys, if you're thinking that that's the end of the video, nope, it's not. Because now we're gonna is it the scarecrow? Yes guys, yeah, we're going into another guys, that's not the end of the video, okay? Because now we're gonna see some other skins that you can get. Hello guys, yeah, we're in this PJ, means we're in the place where we got the Joji trap. And guys, in this there are also some badges that you really want, that you might want. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you. But first, yeah, let's go. Yeah guys, let me just show you. Actually, I don't remember what the skins that I got. Where's the maple donut section? Everyone is running away. They're scared if. Wait guys. 3rd YT series. I want the 2nd YT series. Wait guys. I'm looking for just. Yes guys, this one. Guys, I'm actually gonna show you the only this version. I don't want to see the other version. I'm gonna not show you the infected version because I want you to check it out. I don't want yes. Means like guys, I want you to only check it out. Not anyone. Oh, we can merge the sculpture. Let's move it so we. Oh, what guys? I think. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I have that. Guys, I'm not going to show you the jump scare because I want you to do this. But yeah. And yes guys, I also have this badge if you don't know. Because I am also going to show you how to get it. But I just want you to do it by your own selves to check out the school version of it. Wait, did I only found this much? Yes guys, I also have this badge sunk in the hole. Oh yeah. Actually, I'm not going to show you the jump scare. I don't want this jump scare. I don't want to show you the jump scare because you need to find it all by your own. You need to just find it all by your own. So yeah guys, should I actually yes guys, let's go into first you go to the house guys. Let's do the first thing is let me do the first thing is the house. Did I ever went out here? Yeah, but let me just show you guys the house. Oh wait, oopsie. Okay, yeah guys, first of all, I forgot. Oh, no. Wait guys, oh they could pause. Okay, yes guys, you have to wait. Yes guys, to basically get the skin. Oh wait, this girl actually got the skin. Oh no, she's coming for us, haha. Let me, wait, did she made it? No, I think I again did it. Yes guys, to get the bunny skin you just go here, boom. You should get the bunny skin. Okay. I think there were some more skins I couldn't remember. Guys, yeah, let me just wait. Yes guys, now we have to go skip the station, go to, if you just go here, guys this is actually, guys, I don't know how did I found it so fastly, but yeah, if you just go outside, I thought to, guys, I didn't saw somebody, but I didn't saw somebody else. I'm telling you, I didn't saw. I literally just found it somehow. Yeah, now you go to the forest, and forest, it has so many skins. You will also agree that it has so many skins. So yeah, first you go here. And then if you go here, you'll get this thing called as Whitey. Whichever second some badge will come. And basically if you go here, you'll get that swamp hole. That swamp hole, I think I showed you. Yeah, I showed you in the first place. Yes guys, if you do that, yeah, you'll get that. And basically it only has 2 skins. Maybe there could be more. I need to see that to find some mood. Wait guys. So yeah, now you go to wait. Remember. Wait, why did it wait? I just thought that what about if there was actually one thing here guys. Wait. Guys, if you just see this, don't turn. I just now fell out of the world. But yeah, first instead of now we're going to some place. Now first you just click on tab guys. If you click on tab, this thing will go away. Then you can go here, go to shadows. And then click on OK. Wait, why is it not taking me? Oh yeah, now it's, oh no. Something is wrong guys, it's not taking me. Oh wait, it. Something is wrong with this. Why is it not working? Settings, we're teleporting to this place. If you basically click on that, the thing which you will get, be careful not to get trapped by that baby doggy. Run away from doggy. Guys, first you need to get one mop. When you do that, you When you do that, you should get another mop. Oh no, I have to do this. Doggy. Don't. Guys, doggy. Actually, guys, this is a safe place now. Oh. Okay, looks like doggy can jump. And basically what you have to do is just do this and then just jump. Oh, I have to better do this fastly. Oh no. Oh no. Put. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh, it wasn't this much hard. No, I got stuck. Doggy. Oh, there's the big. No, doggy. Okay, guys, yeah. Basically, you have to do this obby. It is little bit tough at all. Little bit, not tough actually. Which is little bit tough. And then when you do this, you should get a badge. Guys, I actually want to beat this map. So yeah, let me beat this map. You can also see this if you want. If you want, you can see this. Now let me just get this. Oh, what the? Phew. Yes. Well, that was close one. I will need to look next time. Next time I will be careful. And yes guys, if you do that, you will get this CT award. When is the dog coming? Hey, how do I get to that knife? Yeah. But yeah guys, if you see that. Yes guys, but these are all the badges you will get. Yes guys. So yeah guys, Giraffe just wanna do one thing. I wonder where is Doggy? Oh yeah, there's the Giraffe dance. The dance. Giraffe dance. The dance. Giraffe don't dance. Giraffe don't dance. Doggy will never get me. Giraffe don't dance. Giraffe don't dance. Giraffe. I guess maybe this could be Giraffe's father. But this is not Minitoon, right? Minitoon didn't did this. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and give a like. And bye. And also you can subscribe to all of my channels. And guys, hey, is Doggy actually coming? Game is over. Oh, looks like we came here waiting. Yes, but yeah guys, Hey guys, let's actually see if is there anything to do with the CT batch. Wow, I got the what the? There's a crying child. Should I help this child, or that's why I never ever touch a child? What is this sign saying? Yes guys, let's get yes. Let's get that giraffe. And let's see his jump scare. Yes, we are giraffe. Giraffe, fish, giraffe. We are just a little giraffe. Hey, can you tell me how to use the geo? So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Hey, look at this guys, there's snowmans. Wow. What will happen if it touches the snowman? No. We are not good. There's a big present. Santa is giving us big presents. Mates. Wait guys, I'm gonna show you one. Is this it? This is how you get that badge. That scared me. I thought that was the piggy mates guy. Is this the exit? Oh! This is it. This was it. That's how you get. That means if we get. So if you do the obby, that means you might get the. You might get it. Because this is how you get the skin. Which skin if you're asking me? This skin. Jolly group of skin. The mage exit and fall. Wait guys, I'm gonna do the guys, I just know. GG. Okay. So yeah, I don't know how I even went through that, but guys, if you do that, you will get the pony skin. Guys, yeah. Oh. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you how to do that. How to do that guys. So yeah, I'm gonna show you one shortcut. First you go here. First then you go here. Then you go here. Then you go here. Then you go here. Go here now guys. Now you go here. Go here and then now you'll get here. So yeah guys, then just jump off here and jump off perfectly so you can get to the donut place. Donut place guys. But wait, what? That was not it? I thought that was it, the sign. There's actually basically something. Oh. one guy saw me how I did it, and he actually went jump on the bumpy parts. Oh, jump on the. Why did he not jump on the bumpy part? Great. That guy is actually doing really good because he's not cheating. But yeah, guys, anyways, I didn't told that that's cheating. Maybe that guy actually did the secret to make everyone frustrated. I don't know. Whoa. How could I ever? Wait, is that a guy who? Yes guys, if you do that, if you finish the hobby, you'll get it. Yes guys, so yeah, that's the end of the video, so bye.